everyone, it's Layla with Canine Harmony. This little cutie pie is Scrappy. He had some potential adopters come by to look at him. I'm foster sitting him for the week, and it just made me think about how many people don't realize that not every dog is the kind of dog who wants you in their face, and in fact most dogs are not. And regardless of that, it's just an invasion of personal space, so it's important to understand that you need to give dogs personal space and kind of let them come to you. Their ways of interacting are very different than ours. And so for my first couple days with this guy, we went out for walks, but I really wasn't putting myself in his space. I wasn't asking him, I wasn't petting him a lot, because all of that behavior is a lot of pressure, and he was unsure. And so letting him kind of figure out that the world wasn't so scary made him trust me. And then once that trust was built, I was able to pet him, and he was actually looking for that attention. And so that just kind of shows not petting the dog, ignoring the dog, can actually help a lot more than you think, and can actually make them feel more comfortable, even though we may feel bad ignoring them, but really it's in their best interest. So I hope that gets you guys thinking. Spread the idea to others, because I think it's a really important idea to get out there. And thanks for watching, guys.